What is the relationship between ICT capability and numeracy? To answer this question, we need to examine it from 2 points of interest. The Australian curriculum, as an example or as a case study, encourages the use of ICT in the mathematics learning area and states that ICT capability is developed when students investigate, create, and communicate mathematical ideas and concepts using fast, automated, interactive, and multimodal technologies. It highlights specific software such as spreadsheets, where ICT capability can be used for calculations, collecting data, drawing graphs, analyzing, and interpreting data. We must understand that ICT capability in the field of numbers involves much more than merely using ICT techniques and skills that students need to perform, operations and produce graphs. Developing student ICT capability in primary maths involves the higher order thinking skills needed to when ICT is the most effective way of achieving a goal and which ICT tools are appropriate to the task. It would be significant for you to remember that this decision involves more than just ICT knowledge. What it does involve is the knowledge of mathematical concepts and processes and metacognitive knowledge, knowing that you know of one's own speed and accuracy with numeric techniques and routines. For example, if we ask children to find the total cost of 68 pens at 20 cents each, then they have to decide on the type of calculation to do and choose whether to estimate the answer, to calculate it exactly using mental methods, to calculate it exactly using pen and paper, to use a simple calculator, or to use a spreadsheet. Their choice will depend on their level of ICT capability and numeracy. It will also depend on the affordances of the setting, such as the ICT tools available, the help that they get from others, and of course, your aims and learning objectives of the activity itself. In emphasizing this, it is easy to see how higher order thinking skills and concepts are used to combine the knowledge of and techniques in number and in ICT in order to solve even quite simple problems. In the following slide, you will see an example, a diagram of this that represents the relationship that ICT capability and numeracy have together.